Merry Christmas, guys, and welcome back to another episode. What am I saying? Anyway, as you can see, I am in a lorry. This is the Christmas convoy. This is the second to last video of the year, and very kindly, I've been offered to come in the big 770 V8. I mean, just have a look at this interior. And we're going on the Christmas convoy in this. So stay tuned, this is going to be a good video. I'm very excited. This is what we're in. I mean, have a look at it. Wow. What a motor. This is what we're rolling in, guys. Come on. What an amazing piece of machinery. Let's hop in. Shoes off drive. And close the door. Woo!
All right, ladies. You?
Let's go. Hey, it's old motor. Give me a few race speed, mate. Thank you. Wow. Didn't realise this old motor was going to be here. And there's ours. My nameplate, look at that. Hold on. We up in here. You already know the vibes. Here he comes, of course, Mr. Ollie Upton. Ollie, man. Big old box. Right, while I was gone, we've actually got some new motors in here. Mark Wells. I'm expecting to see them here. Nice motor. Yeah, Russian. Flat wall. V8 airbones. Double lines. We got this one. These also got pipe. Obviously I missed them coming in. All the pipe. Got perimeter, A-frame. Got just stock lights. Got another one on Mark Wells with more pipe. There we go. Perimeter kit, A-frame. Yeah, this one's got the double light side. And another one. How many have they got? 4. That's the 4th one now. Which is kind of like that first one we saw. Let's go around. Very nice. Yeah, Russian. I mean, no, perimeter kit. There we go. Got a few vans here too. Modded out vans. There we go. Oh my god, that face. I thought there was actually a person in there. Even got a Scania 111 here from Ken Thomas. Wow. He's kept this in good nick. Look at that. Kept in very good nick. Wow. Look at the work on this. The thing is, it's big but it's small at the same time. Look at that, the chassis, it's mint. This must not work. The way it's so clean, still. No rust at all. Even the trailer's clean. Although of course it hasn't got the safety rails along the side because back in the day. This is back in the day, this. Very clean. Long vehicle. Oh god. That made me jump. I don't remember them being that loud. Yeah, that's nice. Very nice. Oh, lovely bench here. Amazing. wonderful.
I'll get my coffee next time.
We're at the back now.
Huh?
We're at the back now.
Ah, loads of them. Like a race, isn't it?
Yeah. South Mims, and here's the lineup. We're gonna go for a walk down the lineup. Let's go. Right. There we are. It's a good lineup. Good lineup. There we go. What a lineup. It's amazing out here. I'm really enjoying this. Way up. Stop. There we go. Thank you.
First thing I'd like to say is a huge thank you to everyone that's come here today, every single person that's made this possible, everyone that's donated, and everyone that's just come out to support the event in itself. With a fraction of the trucks that turned up, and we didn't really promote it, we didn't think that it would really have that much interest, especially being this close to Christmas, but I can see that I was wrong, and thanks to you guys, obviously this has been a lot bigger and a lot better than I thought it was going to be. The figure currently, as it stands, and this will go up, because obviously I've seen other people have donated and I will get a report at the end as to what we've raised. He's currently sitting at £1,200. Oh, wow. The Little Havens Charity Award. That's not going to a bigger pot that's going to be allocated, that's going direct to award. And I've spoken to Keely and some of the other representatives from Little Havens, and they've already used the money that we've raised through the GoFundMe that people have been donating to buy kids toys for Christmas. So there will be little ones out there who've got toys ready to go for Christmas. So the entire team, where's Ben? Ben's here somewhere. That young man there who's also helped to make this possible. Massive thank you to everyone. Please come again next year. We're going to do it next year. We're going to do it bigger. We're going to do it better. And hopefully I'll organise it a little bit better. But thank you so much, guys. Have a really safe journey home. Dad's going to do the trophy presentations now. There's some amazing stuff here. So good luck, Dad. Thanks, guys. Cheers.
I am, mate. Yeah, Ben.
You took the time out today to make this happen. Without you, like you say, this wouldn't happen. You know, you're going to bring everyone hopes and a smile on their face today while it was coming down the M25. It's normally not a smile on your face when you're on the M25, but like I say, today was, and you're going to bring a smile to a lot of little kids' faces. As regards to, we've got a few little trophies. They're only little, but it will get bigger. We've got one for the best van, which I'll do first. The best van goes to the white caddy up the end. Whose is that? There you go, mate.
I feel like I'm at the running.
Lovely, thank you very much.
Right, the runner-up best truck, and again, there's some lovely trucks here. The Kenworth down there is beautiful. There's some lovely trucks. There's a lot of effort gone in, but the runner-up goes to the Scania over there, which is Bradley's Scania. Is it Bradley? Yeah. Bradley's Scania is the runner-up. What up?
Cheers, Bob.
And the winner, which I'm an old school guy, so that's why this one won. I know you've not had this truck for long. You've only just got it. Hopefully it's the first trophy since your ownership of this truck that you're going to have. And we hope to see it again in the future. We hope to see it at a lot of shows. It's Mark Wells.
That concludes it, guys. Again, huge thank you to the support team that's made this possible. The recovery crew at the end there, Chuck and Chris, who kindly blocked off some roundabouts and helped us get here in a timely manner.
Yeah, can we all chip in and pay his fine for him?
Yeah, please drive home safely. Have a lovely Christmas and a wonderful New Year, and we'll see you here all next year. Thank you very much, guys.
If you want to stay the week now, you can go and get it.
There's my sticker.
Oh yeah.
The door.
Got a little spot right there, look. Right there, look. There we go.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah, it's different being up here.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, well, a little bit. A bit scary too.
Is it?
Yeah, I feel like I'm going to fall over. Yeah, no, I don't like that at all. Never knew there was a McDonald's down there. Yeah, you sure can't see any of this.
Bowling down there, cinema, bingo.
Oh yeah, oh god. Yeah, they've gone mad. Okay guys, and that concludes the video. I know I didn't even do a proper outro, didn't even introduce, and I don't even know what was going on. I was way too, I guess, excited that I completely forgot about filming and everything, so I hope it was a good enough video for you guys. And I'll catch you in the last video of the year next week. Catch you then.